and real estate.
The beauty of today's function and why Kisumu County considers it a very important feature is the Polytechnic funded by the World Bank to come up with a program on textile development, community empowerment, cotton growing, so that the students in the university, or rather in the Polytechnic, are able to learn by doing. They learn, but they also do it. So there's going to be a learning factory, but the learning factory is not restricted to the Polytechnic.
We are building an institution here, which is going to be a regional center of excellence in textile training. The concept is to have trainees learn from theory and then the practice. So as part of the institution, we are building a factory. We're calling it a learning factory. In there, they will be able to practice what is in the cotton value chain. We want to start with cotton at one end and come out with the fabric which is worn. So we will be processing the cotton, we will be making the yarns, and we will be doing weaving, and we are able to get the trainees also to make apparels. So it's possible to get cotton coming in, and at the end we have a shirt which is worn, all produced within that institution. Having this morning is part of sensitization, because we are saying that we need the cotton, but the cotton farmers need to be sensitized. They come from the whole region. We want them to grow the cotton. We want them to know that if they grow the cotton, we'll be able to take some and use.
We've already developed a relevant curriculum under textile technology. We developed 8 curricula ready to be rolled out. And we are focusing to have our first intake of the students in May, because we have already received the equipment. Some of the programs will be done in the classrooms, and then the practical work will be done in the factory.